emotionally bound to this very special place that just 30 years ago saw its last patients leave, which was then originally known as the South Carolina Lunatic Asylum. This property lay fallow for decades. This viable 21st century vision that we had for this campus was in doubt, and I think it's quite clear that it has never been in doubt because of our partners, specifically here because of our partners, Clacking Properties.
This building, the Babcock building, was built in 12 stages, and each one of them will be filled soon, within 2 years, with 208 families that will bring life and vitality to this project. We have always said that the restoration of the Babcock building was the linchpin for the successful completion of the restoration of Bull Street property.
So this is a HUD loan, and HUD is very mission focused on making sure that they enable and facilitate projects that the community really wants and needs. And so we went around talking to political leaders about getting their support, asking them to write letters on our behalf. Council members, the mayor, the governor, senators, everyone was supportive. But when I go back and I read the mayor's letter, it is very heartfelt, very poignant about the role that this building plays in this community and why he felt and others feel that it's important to be done. And I think that letter was a major turning point in our ability to get HUD loan. So I want to recognize that and thank you for that.